How many software engineers would it take to build a door? Na-close ko siya, tapos wala pang handle. Stupid. What's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Finally a video after a few months. I am here and it's actually nighttime na. I'm supposed to start in the morning, but I just couldn't start in the morning. I'm just that person na parang I want the mornings all to myself. Tell me kung ganito rin kayo. Pero sa umaga, parang I really don't like to talk or converse. I don't know why, I just really hate it. First thing in the morning, I just want peace and quiet and all the time to myself. So every time I vlog, it's really hard for me to start in the morning. So I'm starting at night. At least it's something, you know? Today is day 13, first vlog of the month, and nasa 13th day na, sobrang late ko na talaga. But, you know, let's jump right in kasi progress is progress. Am I right? I have a lot of boxes for you guys. Actually, dito makapato. Boom! I got some stuff from IKEA! Actually, super excited ako dito. If you know this 𝐜𝐨𝐽 cabinet, tagal na siya nandito, but I never got the chance to buy the boxes inside. Sobrang mahal niya if you had them imported. And I'm so excited na IKEA is here in the Philippines, so it's so cheap. Actually, hindi siya ganun kamura. Like, it's cheaper than the others. Kasi especially kapag meron kang furniture na binili doon, tapos usually yung accessories niya, doon mo lang rin talaga mabibili. Kung hindi siya ganun ka-fit. For example, itong mga boxes na to. Hindi siya ganun ka-fit. Like, parang ang laki ng butas niya sa sides and stuff like that. I think nabili ko lang to sa SM. And at first, it was really okay. Pero, medyo pasira din siya. Lalo na yung box ni Nugget. So, bumili ako ng extra boxes. I will be unboxing them later. So, here's an IKEA haul. First time ko bumili. Never pa ako nakapunta doon mismo. I heard na it's really hard to book or like have a schedule on the weekends kasi lahat nga gusto pumunta and onti lang tao yung pwedeng pumasok. So, I ordered them online. Medyo mahal yung delivery fee and wala assembly fee, so everything you were to do on your own. But honestly, antay lang kayo ng sale. Sometimes there are discounts and some prices na parang worth it talaga. So, I'm really excited about it. So, I'm going to do a quick workout talaga. Kung daldal lang ako ng daldal, baka hindi na ako makapag-workout. And I'm going to be like a potato me forever. So, I'll see you back in like a few minutes. Okay, we're back. Hindi na ako nag-exercise kasi hindi ko na kaya. Sakit na ng shoulders ko and I kind of stopped there. So, I think naman opening and, you know, trying to fix my shelf is kind of a workout too. So, let's get on it. I got 2 boxes. I don't know if that was it. But I have 2 boxes right here. I'll open this first box and honestly, it's so heavy. If curious kayo, the delivery did depend on the weight and size ng product. So, sa akin, parcel delivery, which is yung pinakamura ng delivery, and that's 170 pesos. And to be honest, in-order ko siya no Friday, and I got this today, which is a Monday. So, like, really few days lang talaga siya. Okay, I think this is the drawers. So, may binili ako mga drawers, things to fit in this box. Kasi, sobrang grabe mag-alikabok dito sa... Nugget! Pupe! So, I decided to cover these up and leave the first row open. So, I got some drawers that would fit perfectly sa 𝐜𝐿𝐴. And I'm super excited. This is more expensive than yung normal box lang. So, bumili ako ng 2 door and I think 1 of just a drawer. Not sure. Hindi ko naman tandaan. Dahil dun siya masaya. Sige. Okay, let's try to do this again. How many software engineers would it take to build a door? Super hate ko instructions. I don't want to read through this. May pictures na pero tamad pa rin ako. Walang hiya. I got 1 chance to make this right. Ito. So sabi niya lay ito. So I'm laying it down. And then like put this thing sa outside sort of. being curious for one moment. Drawer 1 complete! Look at this, it's so cute! Like, this is way better than kung ano naman to. Di nga siya kasya sa box eh. Look at this. Like, too big siya. So this is really so cute. Tapos, bagay siya sa white. Okay, a lot more to go. So, let's do this! You sat on the instructions manual. You sat on the instructions, and he doesn't care. You look so high. Okay, this is the door. Other door. Are you done? It's sturdier than this one by a little bit. Whoa, look at this! It's so perfect! So I did something stupid. Na-close ko siya, tapos wala pang handle. How? Oh. No! Okay. Okay, so far so good. Sobrang hellish mag-screw. But you know, we made the commitment and I'm very proud of that. It's so cute! Look at this! Muntik ko na siya i-close. Like, oh my gosh, okay. Last. Voila! It is almost 1 a.m. Tapos ngayon lang ako natapos. Naglinis and all of that. Tapos ni-arrange yung mga laman, shelf. And I'm so happy kasi ang linis niya na tignan. But sayang wala akong after shot. Ay, before shot no. But this is the after shot. And I kid you not. Hindi ako stylist or interior or whatever. I don't have the talent to, you know, design shelves and stuff like that. Pero for me, parang big change na to over yung kanina na sobrang gulo talaga. Daming books, tapos lahat sila parang hindi naman coherent or wala naman same patterns. Parang it's just super messy. So all of the books, I tried to hide it within the boxes. Usually hindi ko naman siya na-open. So happy talaga. So happy. It's so clean. And here we go.